Today we're going to unbox the brushless motor kit for the reelCNC Gen 3 Conversion Kit and show you guys what we need to keep and what we can get rid of. Okay. First we have the motor itself, which obviously we are keeping. So we'll put that on this side. Next we have this key switch and keys, and we're using this, so keep that. Next, there's some chain that comes with. We're not going to use this because we're using a belt drive. Next thing here is a terminal kit and some bolts. We really don't, we need the yellow piece in here, but we don't need the rest of this stuff. So we can take this yellow piece out, and there are 3 hex nuts that come with it that we need. And you can save this whole bag if you'd like, but I'm just going to set aside what we need. The rest of this can go to the garbage if you want. We have this indicator battery light. We would probably we would like to keep this, and you don't have to use it, but there's no reason not to. All right, there's this extension cable. We are going to keep this. We have the controller itself, so we're definitely keeping this. There's a throttle and handle grip. We don't need to keep this. There is a foot pedal throttle, and we do not need this, obviously. And it looks like there's 2 things left. We have this charging port, which I don't know, we're not going to keep this. I don't know what it's for. And last thing is this 3-speed switch. We want to keep this as well. It's not required, but you probably want to use it. Just going over again what we're going to keep. We need the motor, the controller, the 3-speed switch, this terminal box with the 3 nuts that go with it from they're kind of brass looking, from the bag of hardware. We need this extension cord with all the cables. This is our indicator light, our battery indicator, and then our key switch. The last thing you need to save from the motor kit is this nut and bolt. This is going to go on the clamp on the indicator here, the battery indicator. So don't throw this away.